Hey everyone, this is a quick introduction to PSPP as long as a guided help video for what you need for your Chapter 2 assignment. First and foremost, in the assignment, we ask you to copy in that list of 94 scores on page 8. We're talking about this one right here. So if you're using the ebook, if you're using the textbook, either way it should look the same. This is what we're after. It are these numbers right here. It's a measurement of a family or of a meaningful interaction, conversation with a partner. So what we're going to do is we're going to open PSPP. It should look like this. The first time you open it, you might get these like helpful how to use this program pop-ups. You can just ignore those, click close, you'll go right to this screen. You'll notice it looks something like Excel. You have two options down here. You have variable view and data view. Data view is where we're going to actually, where we're actually going to type in our numbers. If you go ahead and click that right now, you'll see that these across here all just say VAR. That stands for variable. This case number, you can think of your cases as your participant. So basically what this is saying is participant number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. So when you're done entering your 94 scores, you should be at number 94 on this. Now, to make this easier to read, we're able to label these variables, which is what the variable view tab is for. So you can pick whatever label you would like about these conversations, these interactions. I'm going to label mine interactions. If there's something that makes more sense to you, you can by all means choose a different word. It does have to be no spaces though. So if you want to use 2 words, you can't put a space between them. So type in the word interactions. Don't worry about any of these other settings. You will learn how to mess with those later on in the semester. Now, let's go over here to data view. So you'll see now that this first column, instead of saying VAR, says interactions. And here you're going to begin typing in your numbers. So 48, 15, 33, 3, 21, 19, 17, all the way down to that 94th case. Once you have these all typed in, you're going to come up here to analyze, right? We're going to analyze our data. We're going to go to the Analyze tab. We're going to go to Descriptive Statistics, what we talked about in this unit. And we're going to come over here to Frequencies. Click on Frequencies. Now, right now, we only have one variable, so this is all that's showing up. Click on Interactions. Now, the first time you use this, your window might be like little and squished like this. The great thing about this program, you can make anything you want bigger or smaller. So just make it bigger. So click on Interactions and drag that over here to the variable side. This window is the variables that are going to be analyzed when you run your settings. So make sure Interactions is showing up on this side. And I did that by clicking this arrow right here, or you can also double click it and get it over there. Now, what we're asking from you to go along with the information in the chapter, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. We want variance, we want mode, and we want median. Now, we also talked about charts and graphs this semester. One of the great things about this software is there is also a chart setting. So if you wanted to do a pie chart or a histogram or a bar chart, you have those options in this software. We're not asking that of you right now, but just so you know it's there. So select these options and click OK. You will probably have to come down here and click on your output, but this is what it should look like. This is what we're asking you to copy and paste for this assignment. Do a screenshot of it, save it as a picture. You can go up here and do File, Export. You can print it as a PDF, screenshot it and paste it as a photo and upload it, whatever you need to do. But this gives you your mean, your median. I only typed in a few, so I don't have a mode. Your deviation, variance, minimum, maximum, your frequencies, all of it. And that is all you need to know about PSPP for this first assignment.